No. No, un carrito,
Honey, get in here. That dirty guy put on a burqa. So we're here in Maryland at the Tuxton Wildlife Research Center to work with Dr. French as he strives to bring the whooping crane back to the brink of extinction. We're going to check in on some new whooping crane chicks. Quietly, okay? What's the plan?
Let's gear up and I'll show you some basics about handling chicks. Go check out some babies.
I've been handling chicks all my life.
Not like these. If you're uncomfortable and you can't see you're doing it right.
I had to go for every time I've heard that. It's very,
What?
yeah. Who's am I wearing?
You get over.
Here is not the place to
Yeah,
go.
because they're worse than we are.
Yeah, watch this. Let's stop it.
Boy, he is having a
He
fit.
is having a fit. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
That's your last chance. So bad wanted to hit him.
I know.
Now look at him.
Leave him be. Please don't.
Call cops. 41D HPV.
Notice something in my rear view and I slide over to the left. Thank goodness nobody was there. And I see this truck, man, just barreling down. We're only going 5-10 miles an hour, but I guess big guy didn't have brakes or something and ended up smashing up this F-150 in front of me. Looks like he got him pretty good. Got him on the rear quarter. I think he flattened his rear tire as well. So now he's in front of him, and so at first I thought, maybe he's kind of drunk or whatever. He just couldn't stop because he kept on going, and I guess maybe he's just looking for a place to turn off or something. But no hazards on either guy, and I'll go ahead and go to the next clip. And so here I am, I'm keeping on going, and mind you, my truck didn't get hit at all. I'm good. But this guy over here on my right, he got messed up pretty bad, but he's still chilling. And of course, with the traffic the way it is, you really can't just stop because it's just gonna make traffic even worse, I guess. So I'm kind of coming up on Big Boy here and seeing what's going on with him. You can kind of see he's dragging some of his truck with him. He knows, obviously, by now he should definitely know he's in trouble. No hazards on, so I got a little worried right there, like maybe he's trying to hit and run or something. But obviously he knew he was in trouble because he was off on the side. But so he's just sitting here. I'm trying to catch up to him here, so I think there's one more clip after this one. But it was a close call for sure. Let's see what else is gonna happen here. I think I tried to pull up next to him. There you go. There's the hazards you can see right there. I try to pull up next to him and just kind of because I keep in mind my windows are down, so I just try to pull up next. Let's do one more here and see what's going on. I'm kind of managing to inch up closer to him, and mind you, I'm a little worried, like what's going on with this guy. And I pull up next to him, and I'm kind of ducking down because he's way up, and I'm looking at him, and he looks normal and looks like a dude, nothing crazy. And I asked, I kind of just looked at him. He's like, yeah, I'm just looking for a place to pull off, and so I gave him a thumbs up.
Turn left onto Northdale Boulevard Northwest, then use the second from the left lane to turn left onto Main Street Northwest.
Fucking car!
You're gonna have to back up!
No, tell them to pull forward.
Just go forward! Go all the way! Get out of the way, please! Next time when there's a semi there, you can't do that!
Tell her to pull forward.
Just go forward! Pull forward!
I hit her too. Stupid ass people.